Hi guys, welcome to another lesson of how to learn TWI the fun way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kɛseɛ and I'm back again with Nathi.
Hi.
And today's lesson is about the human anatomy, so basically body parts. So Nathi is here to help me translate these things. So she'll actually give me the body part that she wants translated and I'll say it in TWI. Welcome.
Yeah, thanks. I think for me, it's, like the lesson that you learn at school, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head. I even wonder if you guys have it in TWI. As in, that song, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Yeah.
And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Knees and toes. All right, it's fine.
But okay, I won't put him on the spot.
No.
I'll just ask. The first thing is the head.
Yes.
So what do you call, how do you say head in TWI?
Okay. It's in two ways. You can say head in two different ways. T is head.
T?
Yeah. So T is head or Etire.
Etire.
Yeah, so T is like a shorter version of Etire. So head is T. So if somebody wants to say your head, they'll say uti.
Uti.
Uti. That's your head. Yeah.
Uti.
Yes. That's head.
Okay. I would like to know what a nose is.
Okay, nose would be a bit difficult. Nose is Hwene.
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 Yes.
Hwene.
Hwene is nose.
Hwene.
Yes. It takes a bit of work, but Hwene is nose.
Hwene. Hwene. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And then, now I would say mouth.
Mouth.
Yes.
Oh, mouth is easy. It's Aane.
Aane. Aane.
Aane is mouth.
Aane.
Yes.
Okay. And let's say ears.
Ason.
Asu.
Ason.
Asu.
Yes.
Asu.
Ason.
Asu.
Ason is ears, right? Yes.
Sounds like Japanese to me.
It's fine.
Asu.
If it helps, it helps. Yes. So Ason is ear, Hwene is nose, T is head.
Okay. And how about eyes?
I is any.
Any.
It's like Aane.
Oh, any.
Any. Aane is yes. So any is I.
Any. Ani. Any. Okay.
All right.
Any, are you?
Are you okay, Annie? That's
okay, Annie.
Michael Jackson was talking about the
yes,
eye.
I'm talking about the eye. Eye, are you okay? Annie, are you okay?
Yes.
Oh, that's a good one.
I really missed this.
Okay, that's a good one.
Yeah.
And then, how do you say tongue?
Tongue is a bit difficult. It's Ketirema.
Ketirema.
Oh wow, that was easy. Yes, tongue is Ketirema.
Ketirema. Okay. Ketirema.
Tongue.
Okay. I don't know if you know what shoulders are.
Shoulders is Abatire.
Abatire.
I know where you're going with this.
What?
I know. Abatire.
Abatire. Okay, no, I want anything. And then, what do you call a finger?
A finger. Is Nsateaa.
Nsateaa.
So Nsa is your hand. Okay. So if I say, okay, Nsa is your hand, Wonsa is your hand, right? So Nsa, Wonsa is your hand. The other person's hand. But Nsa is a hand, right? So you want a hand, right?
A finger. A finger, yes.
See, so hand, this tia is basically like saying something thin or skinny.
Oh, okay.
If something, if we say adiani tia, I'm saying that thing is either thin or skinny. But finger is ensa Nsateaa.
Nsateaa.
That's finger.
Nice.
So Nsateaa. That's finger.
Okay. And then how about your forehead?
Forehead is Moma.
Moma. Moma.
Yes, Moma.
Woo Moma. No?
Yes, you said it right. Your forehead. Moma. Yes. Moma is your forehead. You said it right. Yes.
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 Okay. So I think for now I want to ask
yes.
Like a few questions.
Okay.
And let me think about it. I think this is something that women actually
Oh boy. Okay.
say a lot.
Okay.
Well, some women, not all women. So
Okay.
I'm not really judging or like, saying, generalizing and saying all women, but something that we use a lot.
Okay.
I have a headache.
I have a headache. Okay. I have a headache. You can either say Ketirema.
Ketirema.
Ketirema. So it's Ketirema. Miti, my head.
Miti.
Yemi.
Yemi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ketirema.
Yeah. That is, if somebody has a headache, and you come, let's say you have a headache and you come to me, then I'm like, Nathi, are you okay? Then you tell me, Ketirema. I will know that you're telling me you have a headache. Or if you literally want to translate it, you're saying your head is painful.
Okay.
Then you can also say miti pie me.
Miti pie me.
So it's like a pie. Miti pie me. That's like you have a sharp pain in your head.
Okay.
So we don't have like I have a headache per se, but you can say Ketirema, which is my head is painful, or miti pie me, like I have a sharp pain in my head, which is basically a headache. So that's how we say I have a headache.
Oh, okay. No, that's interesting. So then how do you say your forehead is big?
My forehead is big. Like your forehead is big.
Your forehead is big.
Moma so.
Moma so.
So wo is you, right? Moma is forehead. So is like big.
Moma
So. Or you can say Moma eye kɛseɛ. But a lot of people say Moma so. It's like your forehead is big.
Moma so.
Moma so.
Su.
Yes.
Isn't like sue the person.
Yes, sue the person.
Moma su.
Yes.
Moma su.
Yes. Moma su.
Moma su.
Funny enough, you're saying something else.
What am I saying?
It's if you say Moma su, right?
Yeah.
That's like on top of your forehead. So, and that could be an insult. It's like Moma su. It's like, what's on top of my forehead?
Your head.
Yes.
It's on top of your forehead.
So Moma su is on top something. It's like the top of your forehead, but Moma su. Like it sounds the same. One has a bit of inside it. So Moma su, like the name, is on top of your forehead. Yeah, the su part, because it's more of on top. Ne? Then if you say your Moma su, that's your forehead is big. Let's go with, you actually said it right. You said it right, yes. That's your forehead is big.
Your forehead is big.
Yes, my forehead is big. My head is generally big.
Okay. How do you say your hands are small?
Ooh, okay. Hands is nsa. Remember the Nsateaa. Remember I said nsa is hand?
Oh, then, like sa.
Yes. So
okra sa, yes. But without the.
Yes. So nsa.
Okay. Nsa.
Nsa is hand.
Okay.
So remember I said Nsateaa is your finger.
Oh yes, Nsateaa.
Tia is your finger, right? So now if you want to say somebody's hands are small. Unsa, you can say unsa, which is your hand is small, or ne? Okay, let's say unsa. Yeah, let's stick with unsa. Swa.
Swa.
Yes.
Unswa.
Unsa swa.
Unsa swa.
Yes. Yes.
I'm trying.
No, she's trying, Shane. She's trying. It's the first time she's hearing these words.
Yes.
No, you're trying. So, unsasa, your hand is small. Nsateaa is finger. Moma sun, your forehead is big, right? Moma su, something on top of your forehead. It's like me saying, table no so. I don't want to say table, like literally. If you want to say
table.
No, if you say
on top of the table.
On top of the table, yes.
Ah, yeah.
Yes. Literally, on top of the table is table no so. So it's on top of the table. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
But you did a good job.
That's good. Oh, thank you. High five.
Yay. Yay.
That's good.
Good work.
Thank you so much, Kwesi, for yet another invigorating lesson.
Oh,
I've learned a lot.
Oh, cool.
And his forehead is actually big.
Actually, my whole head is big.
It's actually big, hey? So, if you can comment at the bottom to just tell us whose forehead is actually bigger, his or mine, that would actually be great.
Okay.
I think it's his. He's the winner.
You know? Okay, fair enough. Please leave comments on whose forehead is bigger between me and her. That would be nice. All right, guys. Please, if you enjoyed today's lessons, please click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell button for future notifications. Then also, please download TWI Junior Pro, the app. It has all these anatomy stuff, the body parts in the app. So you can go there and actually check everything. There's actually much more there. And I try and update the app every month so that it's relevant and it's still, well, it's up to date, so to speak. And I think from us, we just wanted to say,
be careful.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah, be careful with the coronavirus, going around. Please wash your hands. Make sure that you are you don't cough out loud. If you do have, make sure that you quarantine yourself. And what's the other thing? Use sanitizer before you actually eat, before you get in the house. Use sanitizer. Make sure that you protect your loved ones. And make sure that you don't go to like a crowded place where you can actually contract these viruses and bring them home to your family. So just be safe. Look after yourself, look after your families, and just make sure that you stay clear of the people who are actually infected.
Showing signs of. So just remember to wash your hands. Don't touch your face or touch your nose or touch your eye before washing your hands. Avoid hugging people, shaking people. I'm not saying they have it, but for your safety and theirs, because it has 14 days incubation period, so you never know if you have it or they have it. Just be safe, because the world is getting scarier by the day. So let's be safe. Much love from us both, Kwesi and Nathi. Till next time.
Okay.
Bye.